Do the bottom or the inner forearm. Let it hang, let it roll out on your fingers, curl it all the way up.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. I'm going to share some forearm exercises that will not only surprise you but also seriously boost your grip strength and overall arm development. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
Now we're going to use this wrist roller, and what I want you to do, you can have it, don't do anything yet, you can have it out in front, which really just works your shoulders more. You can have it, which is probably the best way to try to do it, and if you just want to isolate the forearms, is to have it bent arms. And now, see the way the rope is on that wrist roller? When it's away from you, start curling it up. Start rolling the rope up. Like that. So see the action? For you to curl it up and the rope is on this side, like facing me, that's working the top of your forearms. Now switch it around. And let the rope roll out. Let the rope roll out. Now curl it up some. Start curling it up. To curl it up, that's working the bottom of your forearms. And there's different kinds, but that one basically you wrap that strap around a plate, or it could be a dumbbell or any kind of weight. You could put it on a cable if you wanted to, a cable apparatus, wouldn't matter. And like I said, now do it. Now hold the thing right straight out in front of you. You can do it like that. A lot of people do it like that. I don't really care for it because it's just adding extra work to the front deltoids. You don't really need to do that way. I like it with the bent arms, or to have your arms braced on something like a preacher curl bench. I like that. And that's about it with that. Good. All right, now we're going to do some forearm curls with a dumbbell. You can do it with a barbell too. Do the bottom or the inner forearm. Let it hang, let it roll out on your fingers, curl it all the way up.
I'm not good at this.
That's all right. That's how you get good at something. Just constantly do it, constantly doing it. You weren't good at a lot of things when you first started. Now let's emphasize the top of the forearm. So rest your arm on your leg, or it could be rested on anything. It could be on a bench or a table or something. Good, right there. Now what you're going to do, you can do this with a barbell. Probably actually is easier with a barbell, but you're going to keep palms down, pronated grip, palms down. You're going to do reverse curls. And hammer curls. So it's a neutral grip. And both of those are working your forearms as well. They're both working the biceps as well, but these are good to help target the forearms.
Out of these 5 exercises, I've got to say that the wrist roller is a real game changer. It's an isolation exercise that specifically targets the flexor muscles in your forearms, which are often neglected in favor of other exercises. By doing the wrist roller regularly, you can improve your grip strength and increase your overall forearm development.